Warning, live without warning. Warning, live without warning. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. Blaze Guitar Lessons is going to teach you guys how to play the song Warning by Green Day. This was a favorite of mine back in the day, and I still love it. This is a super easy song, so I want to teach you guys some really easy songs to play kind of across the different genres. So if you have other songs you want me to teach you, let me know in the comments and I'll get to them as soon as I can. Country, rock, punk, whatever. I'll do my best. So anyway, this song is in standard tuning. It's really easy to play. The strumming's easy and everything. So if you have questions, let me know in the comments, and let's get started. So standard tuning, no capo. You're basically just gonna do power chords for most of it, other than the picking part. And most of the strumming is just down, 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 down. Okay. But when I switch power chords, you do a down up real quick. Down, 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 down up, 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 down, 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 down up, down, 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 down. Okay, just like that. Down, 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 down up, down, 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 just like that. So what you're gonna do is your E, A, and D strings, okay, on the 5th and 7th frets. Pointer finger goes on the 5th fret on the E string, ring finger goes on the 7th fret on the D string, and your pinky finger goes, so it's like this. I'm trying to move my middle finger so it doesn't mess it up, is what you can see. Your pinky finger goes on the 7th fret on the D string, okay? So 5th and 7th frets, E, A, and D. Okay? You don't need to bar the whole thing, all right? In fact, I would recommend not doing that. And then what you're gonna do is you're just gonna move your fingers down one set of strings. So you're gonna stay on the 5th and 7th frets, but you're gonna go down to A, D, and G. And now I'm still touching, but I'm not pushing it down, but I'm touching with my pointer finger the big E string so that it mutes it. Okay, so pointer finger goes on the A string, ring finger goes on the D string, and your pinky goes on the G string on 5th and 7th frets. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna go back to E, A, and D, all right, and you're gonna go on 3 and 5. All right, see, just like that. So pointer finger, 3rd fret on the big E string, ring finger, 5th fret on the A string, and pinky goes on the 5th fret on the D string. And then you go back up to the one you did previously, back up to the A, D, and G strings on the 5th and 7th frets. And then you start over. So it's E, A, D, and then you go to A, D, G, and then you go down to 3 and 5 on E, A, D, and then you go back up to 5 and 7 on A, D, G. And then you go back to E, A, D strings. Okay, now after you do that, so the way that you would play it is, so you're gonna just start the song that way. And then after that much you do, this is a public service announcement, this is only a test. And you're just gonna play this until you get into the chorus. Of agency evacuation protest. Okay, so then after the chorus, you're gonna do, here's the plucking that you do, okay? Not the plucking, but the picking. So you're gonna put your middle finger, all right, on the 5th fret on the big E string, and then your pointer finger goes on the 4th fret on the A string, and you're gonna do 5, 4. Okay, so you do E, A, E, A. So you do E, A. And then after you do the A, the E again, E, A, E, A. And then you go down to the 3rd fret with your pointer finger. This is the way I play it. Now, there might be easier ways, but this is the way that I play it. So then you go down to the 3rd fret, all right, with your pointer finger on the E string. And then you're gonna lift it off. So you do, and then you're just gonna play the E string, the big E string open. And then you're gonna go back to what you did before with on the fifth and fourth frets on the E and A strings. Sorry. And then here you do the E string twice. So the first time you just do it once. 1 E A E E open. So still open on E E E. That's where you do it the second time. E E A E E E. Okay. Let's see if this helps if I show you this hand too. And you're just going to repeat that. So you're going to do that. You're going to do that. I just put it as much long as it is. You do it. So you're going to do it once and then repeat it. So bum 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 bum. And then you just go right back into this. You actually play this for the verses and the chorus. When you end the song, I would just end it like that. So anyway, that's the whole tutorial. It's a very easy song. Let me know if you guys have questions or anything. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.